flowers. What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up? So this week I'm coming with you with a base because we are going to learn how to highlight and contour our faces. This is all about the tips. This is going to be very detailed. I'm going to attempt to talk through this, okay? Sometimes when I'm doing my makeup for you guys, I end up like not even speaking, so we're going to try. So before we even get into the whole tutorial, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, share this video with your friends. You already know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You already know. I'm gonna come up with a dance routine. Okay guys, let's get right into the tutorial.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Okay, so we're gonna go in with the It's You HD Concealer from Sistar Cosmetics. And I'm using the color Toffee as my highlight color and the color Truffle as my contour color. So we're going to start with the highlight first. I do my highlight first and then I do my contour. So you're going to put under your eyes, over your lip, your bridge of your nose, your forehead, and then your chin. Guys, I forgot to tell you all that the highlight color should be 2 shades lighter than you, and the contour color should be 2 shades darker than you. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Morphe blender. You're literally just going to pat it in. The key with this is just to make sure that you blend it all the way out. You want to blend. You have to blend it. That is always the key to makeup. Blending it out. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the contour. And I only contour here on my nose and then here. I only do this part. I don't do my forehead because my forehead is small, which you guys know. If you're returning, you know I always talk about how small my forehead is. Part of the reason why I don't do crazy baby hairs either. I really have to relay this wig. So now I'm going to take a different sponge. And I'm just going to pat it in and then bring it down and pat it. I bring it down a little bit and then I go back up because I don't like it to come all the way down here. So as you can see, it's all blended out, and I just go back in with the other sponge and I just kind of blend between the two a little bit up here on my cheekbones. Whatever is not perfect, once you set it and put the setting spray, it'll melt together more. Now some people do this little cut here. I do that only with powder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with my Black Radiance loose setting powder, and I'm just going to put this all over the areas where I put the lighter highlight color. Okay, so now I'm going to go with my Beauty Bakerie flower in the color brown. And I just, wherever I put my contour is where I put it. And I also put powder up here and on my fatty chin. So I just use the other side. Okay, so you just let that sit for a little while. Usually what I do when I'm letting it sit is I'll like clean my eyebrows. Or I usually do my eyebrows, but actually I did them because I was getting on camera and I don't like not coming on camera with no eyebrows, sis. So what you do now is you're just gonna go ahead and let it sit for a little while. I usually let it sit for about 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna clean under my eyebrows so you're just not watching me sitting here and talking. And then once I'm done cleaning underneath my brows, I will brush everything off. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I usually go in with the lighter color on the lid, which is why it's like and it blends together. Okay, so now I am going to just brush all of that off. And then what I do now is I'm going to take my It's You Sistar Cosmetics setting spray and I set my face first. Once that dries, that's when I go in with my True Complexion Contour Palette from Beauty Black Radiance. And I use that contour color. This is the medium to dark.
Go over my contour. And then of course the nose here.
Alright, and then you continue with your full face. I'm going to go ahead and finish my face and I'll come back and show you my final look. It's going to be quick. I'll be right back. Okay y'all, the look is complete. I did a simple face, threw on some big lashes. So this is how the final look looks. It's nice and blended. It looks nice and good. That is what you need. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you all at my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember to bloom because a flower is just a soul blossoming in nature.